Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is the episode 10 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In our last episode, we learned the legendary VLOOKUP functions. But today, we will take it further, exploring HLOOKUP and the modern XLOOKUP functions that is quickly replacing both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. And as always, the complete playlist of this series in the descriptions and pin comment. Don't miss it. If you want to become an Excel Pro for beginner to advanced, part 1. What is a HLOOKUP? HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. While VLOOKUP searches vertically in column, HLOOKUP searches horizontally in rows. Syntax is equal to HLOOKUP under bracket lookup value, comma, table array, comma, row index number, comma, under bracket range lookup. Example: you have product IDs in the first row and price in the second row. If you want the price for a specific ID, HLOOKUP can fetch it for you. Part 2. Why HLOOKUP is really used today. The truth is, most data is stored in vertical table, not horizontal. That's why HLOOKUP isn't as common as VLOOKUP. But don't worry, Excel has given us a new and much better functions. XLOOKUP. Part 3. Introductions XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is the modern replacement for both VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. It is more powerful, flexible, and easier to use. Syntax is equal to XLOOKUP under bracket lookup value, lookup array, return array, under bracket if not found, under bracket much more, under bracket search mode. At first it looks longer, but it is actually simpler once you understand it. Part 4. Example with XLOOKUP. Let's say we want to find the price of product Y, its ID. Formula is equal to XLOOKUP under bracket 102, comma, A2 colon A10, comma, C2 colon C10, comma, under apostrophe sign not found. 102, the ID we're searching for. A2 colon A10, the column where IDs are stored. C2 colon C10, the column where price are stored. Not found, a custom message if the ID doesn't exist. No need to count column like in VLOOKUP. No vertical vs horizontal confusion like HLOOKUP. XLOOKUP just works. Part 5. Benefit of XLOOKUP. Works both vertically and horizontally. No need for column numbers. Just select the return array. Can return multiple columns at once. Handles missing values with custom error message. Much easier for beginners to understand. Basically, if you have XLOOKUP in your Excel's version, forget about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is the future. Part 6. Practical use case. Imagine a sales report where column A, product ID, column B, product name, column C, price. With XLOOKUP, you can quickly search for the product ID and instantly get the name, price, or both. It makes reporting faster, cleaner, and error-free. So in this episode, we explored XLOOKUP and the powerful XLOOKUP functions. If you are using Excel 2021, 2024 or Office 365, XLOOKUP is the functions you will want to use from now on. In episode 11, we will continue with more advanced functions, starting with index plus match, which give you even more flexibility than VLOOKUP. Don't forget, the full beginner to advanced playlist link is in the descriptions and pin comment. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to Data Solution and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you in episode 11.